Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. So today we're looking at Tradition of Excellence, and we're looking at pages 4 and 5. This is a primer video just to demonstrate how you know which page you should be starting on. On page 4, your opening pitch is a B flat. On page 5, your opening pitch is an F. Both are in first position, and both require different embouchure setup and air to get that to work. If the easiest note for you to play is that F, you'll start on page 5. If it's that B flat, you'll start on page 4. If it's easy for you to hit this B flat, which is the next, what we call a partial, if that is your easiest note, then what you want to do is relax your mouth just a little bit. Alright, thank you. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.